Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through the Easel feature ramping. Essentially, what this allows us to do is change the angle at which the bit moves into the material to help reduce pressure that's put on the bit. Oftentimes CNC bits aren't designed for drilling down into material, but really moving across material. And so plunging directly vertical does not really kind of make the bits last. And so having a kind of a ramp or a slider plunge or an angled plunge allows the bit to kind of maintain longevity over time. And we're going to kind of look at the three different styles. Currently, my plunge is set to vertical. So when I simulate this carve and remove the material, we can see that the bit moves over the material and then plunges down a quarter of an inch or the depth of cut across and then back up. And that's a vertical plunge. We can adjust this slightly by going to cut settings and selecting ramp 5 degrees and simulating that and removing the material again. And we can see now that the bit plunges down and then moves over at an angle and then back at an angle to complete that full plunge. And again, this is that kind of movement kind of at an angle down helps kind of reduce pressure that's put on the bit. And that's a 5 degree plunge. And then we can do a 20-degree plunge and visualize that here. And we can see that as well. It plunges down and then at a 20-degree angle continues down and then back and then completes the carve. And that's the ramping feature in Easel. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.